Algebra 1, Unit 2B Study Guide, number 21, 22, and 23. So 21, we want to write a compound inequality. So the time required to repair your car will be at least 3 hours, but less than 8. So we'll put X in the middle. So we want to show less than 8 hours. And at least, so that means greater than or equal to 3. Remember, with a compound inequality with a variable in the middle, we read from that variable. So we say x is less than 8, and then we read right to left here. So x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, now we're going to solve on 22 a compound inequality. I like these because you get to do a whole lot of math at once. So we're going to start from the middle. We're going to undo what's being done to x. So the first thing is we're going to add 5. But we're going to add 5. Okay, so we will add 5. Let's see if I can try this again. To each side. So to the right side and to the left side. So negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. It's greater than 2x, which is less than 12. Now we're going to undo what's being done to x on all sides. So we'll divide everything by 2. So x is going to be greater than 1 and at the same time less than 6. So to graph that, I'm going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to have open circles at 1 and 6, and I want to show everything in between, everything that is less than 6, and at the same time greater than 1. Now here we've got an OR situation, so we're going to have to solve each of these inequalities just one at a time. So we'll subtract our 1, and we'll get 2x is less than negative 8. Divide by 2, so x is less than negative 4. Here we'll subtract 3 from both sides, so negative 2x is less than negative 4. Divide each side by negative 2, so x is greater than, I need to switch my inequality, positive 2. So I'll have negative 4, negative 2, 0, positive 2. So I'll do an open circle at negative 4 and show everything that's less than, and then an open circle at positive 2 and show everything that is greater than on my graph. So you can see this is a graph of an OR inequality. So your arrows go in different directions. This is what we call an AND inequality. So the shading's in the middle.